In e-commerce business, success centers on managing inventory effectively. With multiple sales channels and fluctuating demand, keeping track of stock in real time can be an overwhelming challenge. X2x eCommerce Integration Solutions masters the art of real-time inventory management, seamlessly connects e-commerce operations, ensuring every product is accounted for, no matter where it's sold. With X2x eCommerce Integration Solutions, update inventory in real time across all channels. Whether it's a flash sale, a sudden spike in demand, or a new product launch, our solutions keep the stock levels accurate across all platforms, keeping the customer satisfied. Our solution offers automated syncing across all platforms and helps in managing advanced analytics that empower businesses to make data-driven decisions. Stay ahead of trends, optimize stock levels, and reduce the risk of overstock or stockouts. With X2x eCommerce Integration Solutions, the business operates flawlessly, with peace of mind planned for future growth. Ready to transform your inventory management? Visit x2xecommerce.com and discover how our integration solutions are taking e-commerce business to the next level.